I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your profile details on Boost Mobile is straightforward. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Boost Mobile website or open the Boost Mobile app and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, find the Profile or Account Settings section in the menu. This is usually located in the top right corner. Step 3. Edit your details. In the Profile section, look for options to edit your personal information such as your name, email, or phone number. Click on the Edit button next to the details you want to change. Step 4. Save changes. After making your updates, be sure to click the Save or Update button to apply the changes. If you forget this step, your edits won't be saved. Step 5. Verify changes. Log out and log back in to ensure your updated information is displayed correctly. This step helps confirm that everything was saved properly. Updating your profile details is a breeze once you know where to look. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Boost Mobile customer support for assistance. Happy updating!